Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 13 direct and inverse proportions. Exercise 13.2. Last class we discussed direct proportion. This class we going to discuss inverse proportion. Inverse proportion means two quantities are there. First quantity we can take it as x, second quantity we can take it as y, means x quantity is increasing time, y quantity become decreasing, or y quantity increasing time, x quantity become decreasing. That process we call it as a inverse proportion. So for that this symbol represent as a proportionality symbol. For example, here we want to go one particular place, then speed of the car is increasing, it take less time to reach the destination. That means speed is increasing, that quantity is increasing. At that time time become how much? Less only. So that time taking become less. Or another example, here number of workers are more, they take less days for completing that work. Number of workers is increasing, they take a less number of days for completing that work. One is increasing, another is decreasing. That situation we call it as an inverse proportion. Using this one, we can learn about some problems in the 13.2. First question, here they says that in first question they says that saying that here a box contains a sweet box contain sweet box contain sweets box contain containing some sweets are there. They give a 24 children. 24 children. In that one sweet box is there, that sweets is given to the 24 children. Each children getting a 5 sweets. 5 sweets are getting for each children. In there, just imagine in a classroom, 24 children are there. Then they decided to give one box sweets to the children. Each child, how many sweets they decided to give? 5 sweets. Then this is the first case. Second case they say, in second line they say, suppose in that class 4 students are reduced. That means how many students only? 20 students only. For 20 students, how many chocolate can be distributed, or how many sweets can be distributed from the one box, one sweet box. That is the meaning of the question. So what we want to do is draw a tabular column divided into 2 columns. First column we can take it as a number of children. We can take a first column number of children case. In second column number of chocolate or sweets per one child case we can consider. First case, how many children are there? 24 children are there. Each of them getting how many sweets? 5 sweets. Then 4 students are reduced. Exact number not giving them. They saying that suppose 4 students are reduced. 4 students are total, 24 are there. 4 students are reduced means 20 minus 4 become 24 minus 4 become how many? 20 students only. For these 20 students, each of them getting how many sweets? We don't know. We unknown case we can mark an alphabet as x. Finding that x. How to find? Previously we direct case we are write as in the fractional form. Here not like that. 24 student, each of them getting how many? 5, 5, 5. Each person 5. That is equal to, suppose 20 students are there. Each of them getting we don't know, take it as x. Calculate x value, find out. Right and left cancellation possible, cancelled after x value find, or 20 send it to right anyhow. So x keep left side, right side means 20 send to opposite side. 20 comes to be opposite side, means it comes to be denominator. 5 and 20, 5 table 5 one time, 5 table 20 4 times. 4 table 24 possible, 4 table 4 one time, 4 table 20, 4 table 4 one time, 4 table 24 6 times. So 6 into 1. So therefore x value become how much? 6. That means for 20 students are there, means each students getting how many sweets? 6. 24 case, how many sweets? 5 sweets only getting. That is the meaning of this question. See, number of students are decreasing, then at that time a number of sweets getting for each student will increase. This is known as a inverse proportion. The next question, second question. In that second question, they says that a farmer have enough food. He keep enough food for his cattle, animals in the cattle for how many days? For 6 days. How many cattle are there? 20 animals are there. 20 animals are there. For 20 animals, farmer keep 6 days food. Sufficient food he keep, but some 10 another animals are come and joining to his cattle field. Then how many days that food were he can use? How many days? For 20 animals case, he can use 6 days for that food, but 10 more come and join. 10 more coming means now number of animals number become how much? Previously he have 20 animals. 10 more come and join means 20 plus 10 comes to be 30 animals. Now present 30. Suppose 30 animals are there. How many days only that food were sufficient for them? How many days? That one we want to find. There also same process. Draw a tabular column. Divide into 2 column. First column you can take it as a number of animals. Number of animals we can consider it as first column. The number of days we can consider it as on the second column. Suppose 20 animal case, the food is sufficient for how many days? 6 days. Then 10 more joined in that cattle field means 10 more means 20 previously. 10 20 plus 10 comes to be 30. Exact number they not give. We only find that exact. Then how many days that same food is there? We don't know. We consider an alphabet as x. Then this x value find out. How to find 20 animals, they have 6 days of food. 30 animals, how many days food? We don't know. We consider it as x. Then x value find. That's why 30 sent to opposite side means it comes to be denominator. So x keep a right side. Then 6 table 6 one time, 6 table 30 5 time. 6 table 5 1 5 table 5 one time, 5 table 20 4 time. So denominator 1 only. Therefore x value become 4 into 1. 4 is how many days only that food is sufficient for the animals? 30 or 4 days only. Why? Because a number of animals were increased. At that time, food is how much only sufficient. He keeping food that food how many days only lasting? 4 days only lasting. That is the meaning. Number of days were decreasing. Number of animals increasing, but number of days were decreasing. That is the meaning of this question. Then next question, here one contractor estimated some persons. He estimated 3 persons for one construction worker, house construction worker, for how many days? 4 days. Suppose here 4 persons are there means how many days they want to require to complete that work? 3 persons means they require how many days for completing 4 days. Suppose he increasing one more person means that means now 4 persons are there means that 4 person how many days are required for same work to completing. So how to find out? We don't know the number of days, how much take it as x. Same way we draw a tabular column, divide the tabular column into 2, 1, then a number of days we take it as take and a number of person. Any order we can take, but correctly write down that numbers. Number of days here number of person and number of person and number of days. Number of person, first case, how many persons are there? 3 persons are there. How many days they want to complete? 4 days. Suppose number of person will increase and it will become how many? 4 persons are there, means they take how many days for completing same work. We don't know, that not knowing place, consider an unknown value as x. So how to find out? 3% take 4 days work, 4% take how many days? We don't know, we consider it as x. X value find. Here see right and left same number means we can cancel. Same number cancellation 1. So therefore x value become how much? 3 days only required for number of persons increasing, number of days become decreasing. That's why they are known as inverse proportion. The next question they says about fourth question. They says about fourth question. Here, so in a batch, the batch of the bottles are keep it in a 25 boxes are there. In that each boxes number of bottles are 12. 12 bottles are keep it in a one boxes. So total how many boxes are there? 25 boxes are there. Each box 12 bottles are there. Suppose here number of boxes we don't know, they are given as 12 bottles. Suppose number of bottles keep it in the boxes, that means how many boxes are required for keeping this we can keep that. That is the meaning of this question. How many boxes are required for keeping 20 bottles? So how to find out? Here 12, here 20. Then we divide into 2. First one is number of boxes. We consider in the first column. Number of bottles we consider on the second column. Then here first case 25 boxes are there. Each box how many bottles are there? 12 bottles are there. Here number of boxes number we don't know, but number of bottles number it is given that 20 bottles. So each box 20 keeping means how many boxes are required. That is the question. That means how to find out that suppose 25 boxes are there. In that 25 boxes, each box 12 bottles are keeping. Then suppose X boxes are there and X boxes 20 bottles are. 20 bottles are there means X box how many we can keep. How to find out X value find? So 25 into 12, 20 bring to opposites comes to be denominator equal X. Then 5 table 25 5 times, 5 table 20 4 times, 4 table 12 6 3 times, 4 table 4 1 time, 4 table 12 3 times. Then multiply. So X is equal to 5 3s are how much? 15 is the answer. That means how many boxes required for keeping 20 bottles? 15 boxes are required for keeping 20 bottles. That is the meaning of this question. Then next question they says about fifth question they says about in a factory 42 machines are there. In a factory 42 machines are there. They producing some articles within 63 days. Within 63 days that factory producing some articles. Suppose they completing that same work at 54 days. So how many machines are required for completing the same work for 54 days? We don't know how many machines required. That's why instead of that place we can take it as X. First case they given that suppose one in factory 42 machines are there, means they can produce some article within 63 days. That same work they want to complete within 54 days. So how many machines required for completing within 54 days? Number of machines they ask. There also we can draw a tabular column, divide into two columns. First column, number of machines we can write, and number of days write on the second one. Now first case number of machine is 42. At that time it take how many days? 63. Next case number of machine we don't know, but number of days they given as 54. Number of machines find out. 42 machine is there, means it will take a 63 day work. That is equal to number of machine X is that, number of days is 54. We want to find X value. The same process, 42 into 63, then 54 bring to opposite side, means comes to be denominator and find out X. 63 and 54 or 42 and 54, anyone you can take. 63 and 54 means 9 table we can use. 9 sevens are 63, 9 6 are 54, 6 table 6 1, 6 table 42, 7. That therefore X value 7 into 7 comes to be 14 machines are there, means it can work same work how many days it can complete within 54 days. That is the meaning of previously 42 machine only, then they take 63 days. Suppose 49 machines are there, means they can complete same work within 54 days. Then next question. The next question is sixth question. They says about sixth question. They says about a car take 2 hours to traveling at a speed of 60 kilometer per hour. Suppose speed of the car is increased, now speed become 80 kilometer per means hour, means how much time it take for reaching the same destination. We don't know how much time will. That means the speed of the car is 60 kilometer per hour, means they can reach the destination within 2 hours. Suppose speed of the car is increased and speed become 80 kilometer per hour, means the car take how much hour to reach the same destination. How much hour it will take. So we don't know, same process only. Draw the tabular column divided into two columns. First column we can take it as speed of the car we can take. Second we can take time we can take. Then speed case, speed of the car, first case 60, at that time we take 2 hours. Next speed of the car is 80, at that time how much we don't know, we consider it as an X. Then 60 kilometer per hour case, time is 2 hour taking. Then 80 kilometer hour case, how much time we don't know, we can take, mark it as X value find. So 60 into 2, 80 bring to opposite side, means comes to be denominator. 2 table 2 1 time, 2 table 80 40 time. Again 60 and 40 belongs in which table? We can consider it as in 4 table means here 10, 4 table 16 means 1 time 4, 20 means 15. Again 5 table using means 5 table 10 2 times, 5 table 15 3 times. So how much X value? This implies that X value is equal to 3 into 1, numerator into divided by denominator, 3 by 2 hours. 3 by 2 hours means how much, how to identify how much hours it will become. 3 is divided with 2, the 3 is divided 2 table 3 one time. Then here how much 1 and 1.5 hour take for reaching the same destination. Speed is 16 kilometer per hour. It will take 2 hours. Suppose that car speed is increasing within 80 kilometer per hour means it take how much hour to reach the same destination? 1.5 hour time only take for reaching the same destination. But I hope you can understand this question. Then next one more question. Here next is next they tells about next it says about in a school 8 periods are there. 8 periods are there. The time duration is 45 minutes. Time duration is 45 minutes. Suppose they decided to increase the number of periods as 9 periods. At that time, time duration become how much? How much time duration? Each period, how much time duration? That is the question. X value 5. We don't know that. That's why we take consider an alphabet as X. For how to find out the same? Draw the tabular column, divide into 2 columns. First column number of period column. Second column we can take it as here duration of the period we can take it as on the second column. First case, how many periods are there? 8 periods are there. Each period time duration is 45 minutes. Suppose number of period is increased as 9. At that time duration is how much? We don't know. We consider it as an X. Then how to find out 8 period case? Each period time duration is 45 is equal to 9 period case. Each period time duration we don't know. We take it as X. Then how to find out 8 into 45? Right side number bring to opposite side and X value keep left side. Then 9 table 9 1 time 45 means 5. Therefore the denominator 1 only, numerator 8 5s are how much? 40. 40 means that what is the meaning? Here suppose they are increase the period as 9 means each period time duration become how much? 40 minutes, 40 minutes like that. 8 period case, each period time duration become 45. See, the number of period are increased, time become reduced, time duration become reduced. That is known as inverse proportion. Direct proportion, last class we learned. Direct proportion means both quantity are increased at a time. Example, farmers case. Farmers more area they cultivate means they can harvest more area, more crops. Both quantity are increasing. Like that, both are increasing, both quantity. Here one is increasing, another is decreasing. That situation we call it as inverse proportion. I hope you can understand. So this chapter is completed. Thank you.